Over the years, I've had thousands of people watch my videos. Some videos performed incredibly well, others completely flopped. And for the longest time, I had no idea why. One video could get thousands of views. Another video, made with the same effort, the same editing style, and the same level of quality, could get almost nothing. And honestly, that is one of the most frustrating things about being a creator. Because every creator knows this feeling. You spend hours researching, hours recording, hours editing. You carefully design the thumbnail, you write the title, you upload the video, and then you wait. Sometimes the algorithm pushes your video, sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes a video takes off immediately. Sometimes it dies before anyone ever sees it, and nobody tells you exactly why. YouTube gives you analytics, it gives you graphs, it gives you retention charts, but it doesn't always tell you what you should do next. So for a long time, I was guessing. I would try different titles, different thumbnails, different ideas, different upload times. And while some things worked, I never felt like I truly understood the game. I wanted answers. I wanted to know what separates a viral video from an average one. I wanted to know why some creators grow rapidly while others stay stuck. Most importantly, I wanted a system, a way to make decisions based on data instead of luck. So I stopped guessing and I started building. For months, I worked on a Chrome extension called Tekka extension, a tool specifically designed to help creators understand what makes videos succeed. Not through theories, not through random advice, but through actual analysis. The goal was simple. I wanted a tool that could look at successful videos and reveal the patterns behind them. What topics are performing? What titles are working? What keywords are attracting views? What opportunities are creators missing? And how can we create something even better? The first thing that makes YouTube difficult is competition. No matter what niche you're in, you're competing for attention. Every viewer has hundreds of videos they could watch, and every creator is fighting for the same click. That's why understanding your niche is so important. Most creators don't fail because they're bad creators. They fail because they don't fully understand what their audience wants. And that's where Tekka comes in. Instead of randomly searching for inspiration, instead of spending hours jumping between channels, Tekka helps you analyze what's already working. It allows you to study successful content, identify patterns, and discover opportunities. The goal is not to copy other creators, that's important, because copying doesn't create long-term success. Understanding does. The goal is to understand why something works, and then create a better version with your own unique perspective. Think of it like this. If somebody has already proven that viewers are interested in a topic, why start from zero? Why guess? Why gamble? Instead, learn from the market. Learn from the audience. Learn from what viewers are already choosing to watch. That's exactly what Tekka helps you do. When you open the extension, one of the first things you'll notice is that it helps identify viral content. You can immediately see what's performing, but more importantly, you can also see what's not performing, and sometimes that's even more valuable, because knowing what to avoid can save you weeks of wasted effort. The next step is understanding your audience. Every niche is different. What works in gaming might fail in finance. What works in education might fail in entertainment. Different audiences have different interests, different expectations, different behaviors. Tekka helps analyze those interests so you can better understand the people you're creating for. Because at the end of the day, YouTube isn't about algorithms, it's about people. Real people making decisions every second, choosing what to click, choosing what to watch, choosing what to ignore. And if you understand those people, you have a huge advantage. Now let's find a viral video in my niche. This is where things get interesting. Instead of looking at dozens of videos manually, I can take a successful video and run it through Tekka. Once I do that, I use one of my favorite features, the Beat This Video feature. This feature is designed to answer a simple question. If this video is already successful, how can I create something better? Not a copy, not a clone. Better. The extension analyzes the video and provides insights that would normally take hours to collect manually. It looks at the level of competition, how crowded the niche is, whether there is room for new creators, and how difficult it might be to rank. It also provides recommendations for posting times, because timing matters. The best video in the world can struggle if nobody sees it when it's published. Teka also estimates niche CPM values. This is incredibly useful for creators who want to understand the business side of YouTube. Not every niche earns the same amount. Some audiences are more valuable to advertisers than others. Understanding that information can help creators make smarter long-term decisions. But that's just the beginning. One of the biggest challenges creators face is coming up with strong titles. A great video with a weak title often gets ignored. A great title can dramatically increase your click-through rate. That's why Teka generates title ideas based on proven patterns and successful content, and not just one title. Multiple options, giving creators different angles they can test and improve. Then it generates keyword suggestions, because discoverability still matters. Keywords help YouTube understand your content. They help connect your videos to the right audience. And they help creators build stronger content strategies. Next comes descriptions. Let's be honest. Most creators hate writing descriptions. It's repetitive, it's time-consuming, and many people don't know what to include. Teka simplifies that process by generating optimized descriptions that creators can customize and use immediately. But my favorite feature might be the script generator. Because ideas are everywhere, execution is the hard part. Many creators know what they want to talk about, but they struggle to structure their videos. They struggle to create engaging openings, strong hooks, clear storytelling, and effective calls to action. The script generator helps solve that problem. You enter your title. And Teka helps build a complete video framework, giving creators a starting point that they can expand, personalize, and improve. The goal isn't to replace creativity. The goal is to remove friction, to help creators spend less time staring at a blank screen and more time creating. Because that's ultimately what this tool is about, helping creators make better decisions, faster, with more confidence. After spending months building Teka, I've learned something important. Success on YouTube isn't random. It can feel random. It can look random. But behind almost every successful video, there are patterns. There are signals. There are clues. The challenge is finding them, and that's exactly what I wanted Teka to do. To make those clues easier to see, to help creators understand their niche, understand their audience, and create videos with a higher chance of success. Will every video go viral? Of course not. No tool can guarantee that. But if you can consistently make better decisions, if you can consistently improve your content, and if you can consistently learn from what's already working, your chances of success increase dramatically. That's the mission behind Teka, and this is only the beginning. If you're a creator trying to grow on YouTube, I'd love to know what challenges you're facing. What part of the process is hardest for you? Finding ideas? Writing scripts? Creating thumbnails? Understanding analytics? Let me know in the comments. And if you'd like to see more videos where I test and improve Teka using real channels and real data, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.